Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Create one master page named Daily Planner and place it at the top of your workspace as the hub for every day. Set up 3 sections. Inbox today, upcoming so tasks funnel logically and nothing is lost. Allocate 5 minutes to customize your first template with your preferred blocks, fonts, and colors so it feels personal. Add an icon and cover, then pin the page to the sidebar. This initial organization takes minutes, but prevents clutter and saves time every day. Add blocks for date, top priorities, and a timed schedule at the top of the template to structure your morning planning. Use a simple habit tracker with 5 rows for daily habits like water, exercise, reading, meditation, and sleep tracking to keep consistency visible. Insert a linked database view filtered for today that shows tasks with a today tag or date property. Include a quick notes area and a done section so you can archive completed items and maintain momentum throughout the day. Use recurring templates to save 3 to 5 minutes daily by preloading common tasks and meeting notes into new pages automatically. Review and plan the next day in the last 5 minutes of work to close your loop, move unfinished tasks to upcoming, and set 3 priorities for tomorrow. Sync Notion across devices and enable offline access so your planner is always available on phone, tablet, and desktop. Finally, schedule a weekly review on Sunday to tidy databases and adjust priorities for the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.